In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable automatic fulfillment in Shopify. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by manually fulfilling orders, then get ready, because this video will guide you through the process of automating that part of your Shopify store. This is especially useful if you want to streamline your operations and ensure a smooth experience for both you and your customers. First things first, you need to log into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left of your dashboard and click on Settings. This is essentially your command center where you'll adjust various preferences for your store. Once you're in the Settings menu, continue by selecting General. This brings up a page filled with various settings related to your overall store setup. Now, let's scroll down until you find the section labeled Order Processing. This might sometimes be referred to as Order Processing Settings or Order Fulfillment. Regardless of the wording, you're in the right place. What you're going to focus on here is the option that dictates what happens after an order has been paid. Within the Order Processing section, you'll need to find the setting that refers to what occurs after payment is captured or approved. This might be phrased as after an order has been paid, or similarly. The goal here is to allow Shopify to automatically take care of fulfilling the orders once the payment is confirmed. Look for the option that says Automatically Fulfill the Order's Line Items and select it. By choosing this, you're instructing Shopify to mark orders as fulfilled as soon as the payment is successful. This automatic action can save you considerable time and reduce the risk of forgetting to manually process an order. Next, there's an optional step that can enhance your customer's experience. You'll see a checkbox labeled Notify Customers of Their Shipment, or something similar. By checking this box, you're authorizing Shopify to send emails notifying your customers that their orders have been shipped. This adds a layer of communication, keeping your customers informed and happy with timely updates. Once you've made these selections, make sure to save your changes. You can usually do this by clicking a Save button located towards the bottom of the page. It's crucial to save your progress to ensure that your preferences are applied and effective immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled automatic fulfillment in Shopify. From now on, your orders will be automatically marked as fulfilled once payment is processed, saving you valuable time and effort. By also opting to notify customers, you enhance their experience and potentially increase customer loyalty. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and insights into optimizing your Shopify store. Until next time, happy selling!